Yaipure ngasi haisak malefam palsa kumsing lising ahumga samri kunga nithoi akoigi lamta thagi kuntrani panwa korona mit yai faraba thangjagi akoigi luang laningangi matam luang leikoibagi matam yuthakta kuman jining pipa ihangna asigunaba akoigi malem nikpa earthquake thokpa masi earthquake thokpagi matangsi yam kumna ainadi haijarroi adubu yam kumna lautokpati yadre sesat det tang adum thaba yai aina thaba det tang jingji dana tardi atai tarik ta thokpa yadi adubu masajida akoigi mapumda hadak lakaduriba akoigi hayengdagi sajibugi noma panduribje masidagi sajibugi noma panbadagi sajibugi thasi phawbugi manungsida sugoi soidana akoi ifanda amasung malengi mafam kayada akoi sugoi soidana thokane aro masi aji pathosarage malem nikani earthquake will be occur hojik malefam palsa kumsing lising ahumga samri kunga humdoi mayangida sok lising aniga kunga mangagi hojik lakliba sajibu tha hobadagi sajibu tha loiba phawbagi manungi matamda susoi soidana malem nikpa haifet adum kalap nikpa lei adubu aikoi imfan kanglai paktadi yamna kanna nikpadi oikhiroi hantak sajibu thagi si aduga malemgi worldgi atai lamsingdadi mayai oirap adum kanna malem nikani earthquake will be sure occur nikpa oigani earthquake soidana masinika ngasidagi sahi nifuni thoigi manungda ifan kanglai pakta su akanba malem nikpa taruk leiribani madu adum khangal lakani akanbadu ko akanbadu de ina dum khangal lakani adibu masa masu petpa gi nikpa korpa toba sumsi de ina lauthoroi adubu sabsaba matam sesat det tang su adum lauthokpa ngami yai adubu ai lauthoklaroi maramdi laring thau sana mahina yadri sabsaba laring lason mite ema oibagi tawdribana laring thau sana mahi ima leimalen sidebi iputhau pakhangba iben thau na singba lai singna yadri masiniko sabsaba singba lauthokpasi akoigi tha mapumda oina haijarabasu lauthokjarabasu sabsaba sesat det tang matam timing fix thabuk yai epicenter nungdar loinak puthokpa yai hana thoktrigi mamangda puthokpa yai ko sabsaba adum soidana adum nikpa yai madu adum changyang tawbu yai changyang chi kya pangthokpa loigrami adubu sajida aigi ayaba yaudana kana gumbana masi lauthokpa yade natrabadi laigi thaktagi awaba phangani amasung legalize action leiba yai asiniko lenga lesengi mating lawpa yai please don't announce without my permission if that you will be sure fine worry from courts and legalize action upon thai siniko arna sajida masi aina kangan jaribasi masi akoigi miyam kanglai pakki kanglai sa sing amadi akoigi malengi thakta leiba kharda aina masi sabsaba asingbaji khangni jabani arna sajida coming April of 2025 within April will be short earthquake occur. Okay. Any country, any state, any district, within earth. Okay. Therefore, this is the very fastest prediction of earthquake. Okay. Therefore, this is the coming from Laringthau Sanamai. Okay. However, I can't announce date fix prediction which date will be sure occur earthquake within earth. I can announce date fix also epicenter. Okay, but Now it is I cannot announce exact date fix within this frame because I cannot announce without permission from art creator creator God King. Okay, that name that called Lalintok Sanamai. Okay, therefore now I announcing coming a print of Mitei mother tongue Sajibu. Okay, within Sajibu, within a print there will be short earthquake inside world anywhere maybe, but I can say and announce exact place, exact land and district with also time fix with epicenter. Okay, but I cannot announce without permission from Lalington. Okay, God King. I cannot announce without permission from God King. Okay, this is the very important as human being. Okay, and since the masi miam punamangna akwai kanglai paki kanglai sa miam punamangna masi akwai lakaduriba sajibu tha se sugoi suedana malai nikani masi section biba yum wangna saba kotpa dolan saba kotpa masi kara section biba masi niko masi earthquake se masi akwai tholoi haibu oitaragadi akwai masi ima pantobida akwai loi pot kakadaban masiniko masi harga matang sida ai ten jarge yai fore